if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, hit that bell icon, and make sure you never miss one of our videos. That's what happens. And also, see that thumbs up button right next to it? Right there? Yeah. Make sure a lot of you click that. Even Miss Brown and Miss Brown's class also do that. Even Paxton. And also, Sissy just getting wrestled over there. And also, check out our t-shirts. And also, you can donate and you can get the Bubby Ranch, the Sissy Ranch, or the Moon Ranch, or the Papa Ranch, or the Daddy Ranch. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And make sure you never miss a video. Right, Izzy? Right. And now this is our second video, subscribers. This is really awesome. This is called Izzy and Bubby and Sissy. Now, if you guys donate, you can, if they come in early, send us a picture on Twitter, and we'll even mention you on one of the starts of our videos.
Okay, we're ready.
Okay, so I'm 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Holy smokes!
It's gonna land on me! It's gonna land on me! It's gonna land on me! It's gonna land on me!
Wow. The chute didn't deploy. Hold on, I was gonna say, man, that took off like a rocket. What was a rocket?
Sure
I
did.
thought it was gonna land on me.
Yeah, that one went different than our first one. He did a good job.
Hold it down, is he right?
Yeah, you're gonna press this button when he gets to 0, okay? That's gonna launch it.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
So, Sissy, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, blast off.
Uh-oh. Parachute.
Get it!
Come on, parachute.
Get it!
Oh, right in the road.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you watch these 2 videos, because you remember our first one, right? And we actually made 2, but we're just gonna put these 2 together because we kind of didn't do both of the outros. But this is our outro. This is the real outro, okay? Okay, everybody. All right. Now you let me see you. Now let me see you, huh? Now let me see you low. Now let me see you, huh? Now let me see you low. And make sure. Oh, and also this video is called Izzy, Sissy, and Bubby Power. So it has 4 words. Miss Brown's class. And if someone's not here on that video, like Paxton or someone, then that will be a shame. Or Aiden, if he's not here, or Hunter, or Gordon, or Grayson, or me, or Jayden. Okay, everybody. So, and also, you can donate if you didn't know. And also, if that's kind of weird, but the teachers you actually love is the ones that have Megan stung, because then it'll actually show a real bee. So if you go do that, but if you also donate for because I'm gonna send some stuff to people. So if you donate, you'll get a free bee t-shirt. Those are the special ones, because you can either get a regular one or a special one. But the special ones you have to donate, okay? Got it. See you later, guys! So, okay. Hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, hit that bell icon so you never miss one of our videos. And these are the people that never like me. Well, only Miss Brown did, and Paxton and Tana still haven't. And if you hit that thumbs up over here, and also you can give the Moon Ranch, the Bubby Ranch, the Papa Ranch, and the Daddy Ranch. And also, if you type in B shirts, there's also a shirt with me getting stung on the finger. Anyway, and also Tana and Paxton, make sure you subscribe, like, hit that thumbs up right next to that YouTube video. Bye, guys!